Hello, in this number sense video, I'm going to be going over the distributive property. And this trick is normally found around questions 10 through 20, and it can be used whenever you add two numbers that are multiplied by the same thing. And what this states is that a times b plus a times c equals a times b plus c, and the opposite holds true. And if this just looks like a bunch of letters and symbols to you, don't worry, it's fairly clear with an example. So to start off with, what is 14 times 23 plus 6 times 23? So with these questions, what you do is you find the common number. In this case, they are both being multiplied by 23. You add the two numbers that are different. In this case, 14 plus 6 is equal to 20. And then you multiply by the number that's the same. So in this case, 14 times 23 plus 6 times 23 is just 20 times 23. And 20 times 23 is a lot simpler, which is just 460. So again, if you see two numbers being multiplied by the same thing, add the numbers that are different, multiply by the numbers that are the same. Okay, moving on to the next question. 32 times 41 plus 41 times 28. Just like the previous one, find the two numbers that are the same. In this case, it's 41. Then add the two numbers that are different. In this case, 32 and 28 are different. So 32 plus 28 is just equal to 60. Then you multiply it by the number that's the same. So 60 times 41 is going to be equal to 2460. So overall, 32 times 41 plus 41 times 28 is just 2,460. Okay, our last problem is 91 times 53 plus 53 times 9. Just like the previous two problems, find the number that's the same, 53, and add the numbers that are different. So 91 plus 9 is equal to 100. So 100 times 53 is fairly simple. It's just 5,300. So overall, 91 times 53 is just 5,300. And our last problem is 1400 equals 7 times 177 plus 7 times something. When you see a problem like this, don't try and multiply 7 times 177 and subtract that from 400. That takes a lot of effort, and it's fairly likely that you're going to mess up. The easiest way to do this is just to divide everything by 7. So the problem then becomes 200 equals 177 plus something. And in this case, assuming you just subtract 177 from 200, you can get that the final answer is 23. Alternatively, what you could do is you could use the opposite method of what we just did in the previous three examples. So since you see that 7 is the same across both of these, you know you're going to take 177 plus whatever number multiplied by 7 is equal to 1400. And then you can do the same thing where you divide by 7 and you subtract 177. So both results lead you to 23. It's just a matter of which one you prefer. Okay, for more practice, go to numberwizards.org, and thank you for watching.